Hey, what are you doing? Did you win? Awesome! How many did you get? How many? Awesome.
I want to try the telephone.
Okay, get your tickets. Put them in your pocket.
No, okay.
Okay.
That.
Oh, are you? Who are you going to call? Just one. Push a number.
Hello?
Would that freak you out? You want to slide? Are you going to spend some more money? Hey, show me a thumbs up, man. Who's the luckiest boy ever? Who is that? You're not going to tell me? You do? That ride's kind of weird.